Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Joomla, which we'll use to finish up our readings for the semester. It's super easy. So you'll have a link in Moodle from the assignment to Joomla, and follow that. You'll come to this page, scroll down and go to the user page and create an account, the usual. I'll go with this gender, although if you want to put your pronoun in or anything like that, I don't know why we're so fixed on two genders. The rest of this you don't have to do, but you can if you want to. And we'll register. Okay, so it says a message has been sent with an activation, and it looks like it came in. So yeah, so because I'm in a different browser, I'm going to actually copy this, but if you're doing it, you should be able to just click on it if you're working in the same browser. So we'll go back here and paste it into a new browser, and now we should be able to log in. Let's go right to books. We can add a new item in this category. Let's try articles instead. We'll go to Zotero. I'll be back in a second. What you do is you go into Zotero, hit Control-Shift-A on the book or article or web resource that you want to put in. And then click add a new item in this category. So I'm going to add an article and paste in my Zotero citation. We'll go to the library and send in the title. So that you have access to it. Let's hope that pulls it up. I'm going to open that in a new window and copy this URL, and you'll see why in a second. So here we got toward a digital ethnic study so that everybody else can get the article easily. You click on the link button, paste in that URL that we just copied, do target new window so you can keep your place in Joomla, and click OK. I guess you could also go here, but this will send you to Project Muse, so we'll take that out. Put in a little description. If the description gets long, you can put in this read more so that only a little bit of it shows up on the page, and then you have to click through to read the rest. Here, indent so that it looks slick. And then we have to put in a title. You'll notice I didn't put the title in first. I'll show you why now. We're going to do this and just take the last name, take off the quote, and that will produce a title that's actually useful. And I just usually do everything up to the colon. And then don't forget tags. So this is digital, and try to keep the tags related to the course. So if you're in 338, it should be indigenous is the tag. We won't use that here, but if you're, and then you need to select a category. This is important. You have to select articles because it's an article, so don't forget that. Okay, look over everything. We're good. I don't use these, but maybe if you want to play around with them, you can. And it looks like we're good, so you don't have to worry about publishing in metadata. We'll hit save. Okay, there we go. Now I've hit it. please note that you have permission to edit content, but you don't have publishing rights. The admin will approve your site after content moderation. So let's go back to articles. We'll close this. And we can see it's not there. So hang on a second. I'm going to go to my other browser where I'm logged in as the admin, and I will approve of the message. So it's now published, so back I am, and let's hit articles again, and there you go. There it is. And if we open up this, there's your access. Okay, very simple.